Hi. Let's learn about hollowing out. Hollowing out refers to the disappearance of middle-class manufacturing jobs as producers move their operations to lower-cost regions overseas. Essentially, it's the deterioration of a country's manufacturing sector. This has led to an increase in working-class and lower-class households and a concentration of wealth among the very wealthy. Over the past few decades, many of the world's leading economies have experienced hollowing out as manufacturing jobs were sent to regions with lower labor costs. For example, the number of U.S. manufacturing jobs shrank from over 19 million in 1979 to fewer than 12 million by 2020. The same trend has been seen in other advanced economies, such as Japan. This phenomenon has had a disproportionate impact on cities and rural communities that relied heavily on manufacturing for employment. However, not all economists believe that outsourcing and hollowing out of jobs hurt society. Some argue that it presents the opportunity to pivot toward high-skill, high-wage jobs. Robots and other labor-saving technologies are likely to cause a further hollowing out of middle-class jobs. This concept has been quantified into something known as Moravec's paradox, which essentially means that robots find difficult things easy and easy things difficult. In simpler terms, while robots may excel at certain tasks, they struggle with basic human skills. This is likely to impact middle-class jobs as technology advances. Income inequality is becoming a growing issue worldwide. Research shows that middle-class disposable incomes are declining, while the rich are getting richer. For example, from 1970 to 2018, the share of aggregate income going to middle-class households in the U.S. fell from 62% to 43%. Similar trends have been observed in many other countries. The rising income inequality has led to the shrinking of the middle-class population and increased concentration of wealth among the very wealthy. The decline of the middle class has been attributed to various factors, including the outsourcing of jobs abroad, the arrival of labor-saving technologies, and the rising costs of education, healthcare, and housing. Studies have shown that the middle class has indeed shrunk over the years. For example, the share of American adults living in middle-income households decreased from 61% in 1971 to 51% in 2019. A similar trend has been observed in OECD countries, where the share of people in middle-income households fell from 64% in the mid-1980s to 61% in the mid-2010s. Here are 3 key takeaways. 1. Hollowing out refers to the disappearance of middle-class manufacturing jobs and spending power as socioeconomic stratification intensifies. 2. This leads to an increase in working-class and lower-class households along with a growing concentration of wealth among the very wealthy. 3. Economists have blamed this phenomenon on several concurrent factors, including outsourcing jobs, labor-saving technologies, and demographic changes. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.